Hello, my lovely traders. Hope you are doing well. This is Ashish from In and Out Trading. Main purpose of this video is to document my trading journey. If you like this video, please subscribe and help us to make these types of videos. So this is a market analysis video of Euro USD on Friday, 14th of May 2022. So this is a 4-hour chart. What we see, we just pushed down, we consolidated, and we just pushed down again. So let's switch to 15 minutes. Okay, so this is a 15 minutes chart, and what we are going to do, we are going to identify these points. Number one, we are going to find higher time frame trend, and the higher time frame trend is downtrend. Then we are going to find lower time frame point of interest. Then the market structure, like it's the higher high and the higher low uh, points, and the premium and the discount area. If we get breakup structure, where the liquidity is present, and then by combining everything, putting everything together, we are going to trade. So let's see what market gives us the opportunity, and let's see what we can get. Okay, so this is a 15 minutes time frame. What we see, first, number one, higher time frame trend is downtrend, so it's a downtrend. Okay, so it's confirmed. Lower time frame point of interest, market structure, higher high, higher low. So let's see, this is, we are going to identify the structure at first. This is the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is a lower low, this is a lower high, and so on. This is also a lower low. Okay, so now we are going to search for breakup structure, where we got breakup structure. Okay, so this is our breakup structure down, and now we are going to search for our point of interest. So this is a nice zone, this is a nice point of interest. What I can see, this is a push up, and again from here we got push down. So this is a 15 minutes supply, 15 minutes supply, and what we see, we just pushed down, we got a breakup structure. I think we sweep down this liquidity, and now let's see what market, where market goes. And okay, so yes, we sweep this down. This is a sweep down, this is a chalk, this is a chalk up. Now if price taps into our zone, we will search for some confirmation, and we will try to achieve the target. So this is a demand, this is a demand. Now let's see price get tapped in or not. Okay, so we tapped in. Now first we are going to identify the liquidity, where the liquidity is present in this trend, and number second, the premium and the discount area, right? So this is the trend. Okay, so this is the premium area, this is the exact premium area, and this is the discount zone. Okay, so now we didn't broke till now, we got higher high, we got a higher low, got a higher high, and this. So let's delete this and this. Okay, so as the price tapped in, we are going to find the liquidity area. Where is the liquidity present? So it will help us to set our targets. This is a liquidity area, this is a liquidity area, and we have this liquidity area too. So these all are the liquidity area. So let's switch to 1 minute time frame and let's see if we get some confirmation or not. If we get some confirmation, we can go ahead and we can enter. Let's switch to 1 minute. Okay, fine. So this is the 1 minute time frame. We sweep up, and now if it broke this structure, then we can confirm that we got a chalk. So let's see, let's play. Then broke till now. Okay, so we swipe up and we just got a chalk, 1 minute chalk down. Now what we will do, we are going to find our point of interest in 1 minute time frame. So this is a good point of interest. Let's take the 50% to get a good risk to reward. Let's take a trade here, putting a stop loss above this area. And we are going to give some buffer as for spread. It's around 2 pips stop loss. And let's see if we get tapped in or not. Okay, we got tapped in again. Okay, now switch to 15 minutes. So hope you remember that what I searched before. I searched for the liquidity area. So main target is this, but what we can do, we can always go ahead and book some partials on the liquidity area, like here, and so on. So let's see, for the sake of this video, I'm not going to book any partial. So let's see where it goes. We drop down, we pushed up, and we reach our target. So it's a nice trade. It's 24-hour. It's a 24-hour trade. And now what we can see, we just, as we tapped in to this area, to our demand area, it's a 15 minutes demand. It's a 15 minutes demand, and we didn't close the candle here, so we just pushed up. So what we can do, we can go ahead and we can again search for, at first what we need to do, we need to just see the market structure. We need to identify the higher high and the higher low. So let's identify the higher high and the higher low. Okay, nice. Switch to 1 minute. Oops. Okay, this is the low. So in 1 minute time frame, let's see if we get any type of confirmation or not. If we get any type of confirmation, then we can go ahead and take a trade. So let's play. And we got a chalk. Okay, so this is sweep down, and this is our chalk up. So we tapped in. So in 15 minutes time frame, we just tapped in here and we got a confirmation. on 1 minute time frame that the trend is going to reverse from here. It can be reversed. Let's take a trade on this flip zone. If we get a good entry, then let's see. So let's take a trade here. Let's consider this. Let's see if we get any impulsive move or not. If we get any impulsive move, then we can go ahead and take a trade. And we got an impulsive move. So this is a displacement area. This candle, the displacement candle. So if price return to this to our flip zone, then we can go ahead and take a trade. So now it's time to identify our area. So I am going to just take this area, as we got a displacement from here by taking this liquidity. So putting a 3 pip stop loss, and what we will do, we just initiated the trade. Okay, we got in trading view, like it's showing a 15 minutes total candle. So let's see, we are going to find the liquidity area again. Where is the liquidity present? So these all are the liquidity area. All the stop loss are present here. This is the liquidity area, this is the liquidity area, and this is also the liquidity area. So what we will do, we will just keep a target up to this. It's a 1:16 hour trade. Let's switch to 1 minute. Let's see if how we get tapped in here. So we got a displacement, we got a impulsive move. Okay, this is a nice impulsive move, and we got 1 minute imbalance also. So we think, like, as we get 1 minute imbalance, so it's a high chance to come back here and to like complete this imbalance. So let's see. Okay, so it's done. We got an investment and we tapped in. Now let's play. We are still on the trade. Let's switch to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and it done. So it's a 16-hour trade. So this is the beauty of smart money concept. I trade before flag and pole, chart pattern, that type of trade, and where I get only 1:3, 1:4 risk to reward, because all I did risk. I always take risk entry. And what is the difference between a risk entry and a confirmation entry? This is a very important thing. See, we know the zone, right? We know the zone. We know that price will come here, up to here, and we might push down. But we got a confirmation on this area, and we got a good risk to reward of 24 hour. But if we go ahead and take a risk entry here, putting a stop loss above this structure, targeting the low, we just got 1:5 hour. So this is the beauty of smart money concept. Like, this is the beauty of confirmation. Actually, this is the difference between a risk entry. This is a risk entry. This is a risk entry, and this is a confirmation entry. This is a confirmation. See the difference. See, by risking $1, suppose you risk $1, suppose you risk $100 here, you get only $500. By risking $1, you are going to get $5. But by risking $1 or $100, we can make $2,400, 24 times the risk to reward what we get on confirmation entry. So I always try to enter on confirmation entry. I avoid risk entry, and we manage to get a good index to reward. So that's it. That's for today. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please consider subscribe. And if you learn anything new, make sure to join our community, Discord community. The links are in the description, and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.